Hey guys, so this week I made some vegan comfort food and it was all really good, except I tried to make a healthy sweet avocado smoothie and it just didn't turn out because it's impossible to mask avocado unless you drown it in sugar and condensed milk. But I didn't have condensed milk and I didn't want to drown it in sugar, so it was disgusting and I've never tried that again. But the rest of the food I made was really good, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you have any suggestions for me on what I can do in the future, let me know.